See about update statement. The update statement in MySQL is used to modify existing records in a table. It allows you to change the value of one or more columns in one or more rows based on specified condition. Let's explore the syntax and an example of using the update statement. Now I will show you the syntax. For this we want to put update and we want to give a table name and we want to give a set column 1 equal to value 1 comma column 2 equal to value 2 comma dot and we want to give a var and a condition. Now I will explain the code. This keyword indicates that you want to update existing record in the table. The table name specifies the name of the table you want to update. The set this keyword is used to specify the column you want to update and their new values. The column 1 equal to column value 1, column 2 equal to value 2 specifies the column you want to update along with their new values. The new keyword is this keyword is optional but recommended. It allows you to specify conditions that you must be met for the update to occur. If omitted, all the rows in the table will be updated. The conditions specify the condition that must be met for the update to occur. If omitted, all the rows in the table will be updated. Suppose you have a table called employee with column employee ID and employee name and salary, and you want to give 10% salary increase to employee whose salary is less than 50,000. Now I will show you the update code, how to write the update code. For that we want to first put an update and then table name of employee, and we want to give a set and a salary equal to salary into 1.1, and we want to give a condition where salary is less than 50,000. If I run this, see updated employee set salary equal to the condition is affected. It was done. Where we are updating the salary column of the employee table. We are setting the new salary value to the current salary multiplied by 1.1 to give a 10% increase. We are specifying the condition where salary is less than 50,000, which means we want to update only these employees whose salary is less than 50,000. This query will update the salary of qualifying employees in the employee table, giving them a 10% increase. Remember to always use the where clause cautiously when performing updates to ensure that you will only modify the intended records in the table. Without a proper where clause, the update statement will affect all the rows in the table, which may not be desired behavior. Thank you.